Welcome to the Axie Infinity SLP Farming Guide, a step-by-step tutorial designed to help you understand the basics of farming smooth love potions. In the popular NFT game, Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies, with the goal of earning SLP, a cryptocurrency that can be converted to real money. To start farming SLP, you need to have a team of 3 Axies, which can be purchased from the Axie marketplace or bred using 2 parent Axies. Each Axie has unique attributes and abilities that determine its performance in battle. The goal is to build a well-rounded team that can win battles and earn SLP. The first step in SLP farming is to understand the different game modes. There are 2 main modes: Adventure mode and Arena mode. Adventure mode is a single-player mode where you battle against computer-controlled enemies, while Arena mode is a multiplayer mode where you battle against other players. Both modes reward SLP for winning battles, but the amount of SLP earned varies depending on the mode and the difficulty level. To maximize SLP earnings, it is essential to build a strong team with a good balance of attack, defense, and support abilities. You can use the Axie breeding system to create new Axies with desired attributes and abilities. The breeding process requires 2 parent Axies and a certain amount of SLP and AXS, the game's governance token. Another crucial aspect of SLP farming is understanding the daily SLP rewards. The game has a daily SLP cap, which means that you can only earn a limited amount of SLP per day. The SLP cap increases as you progress through the game and reach higher levels. To optimize your SLP earnings, it is recommended to focus on completing daily quests and participating in arena battles. Daily quests provide a guaranteed amount of SLP, while arena battles offer a higher SLP reward for winning. You can also join a guild to participate in guild wars and earn additional SLP rewards. In conclusion, SLP farming in Axie Infinity requires a combination of building a strong team, understanding game modes, and optimizing your daily SLP earnings. By following these steps and best practices, you can increase your SLP earnings and enjoy the game while generating a steady stream of cryptocurrency. Remember to stay updated with the game's latest developments and adjust your strategy accordingly to maximize your SLP farming potential.